welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle and we have some good deals going on. Although some of the deals we have in this ad is the same as the one we had last week, but you can still do them again and get your extra care box. Make sure you check the description box for the link to the Google Doc for all the deals I share in this video. And I also like to mention that some of the deals are limit of one, but I give multiple options. That way you can pick out which one works for you. Let's start this video with Ajax dish liquid. They are on sale for $2.49, no extra care box bag. Pick up one and go on their website and print out a 75-cent coupon that will drop it down to just $1.74. And there is no limit to this deal, so you can pick up more than one. The next deal I have is spend $25 get $5 back, limit of one per week. I don't think I mentioned it in the beginning of this video. This is a 2 weeks ad, so whatever deals you're doing this week, you can repeat them again next week as long as it works for you. The first item for this deal will be the Tide powder detergent on sale for $14.99. One 5-ounce Downy scent booster on sale for $5.49. And to complete this deal, pick up one 5-ounce Drift scent booster on sale for $5.49. These three items will total $25.97. And all the coupons we will use for this deal will be from the Coupon 24 app. For the Tide, there is a $3 coupon, $1 coupon for the Downy, and $1 coupon for the Drift. That will take off 5 and drop it down to $20.97, and you get 5 back, making them just $15.97 or $5.32 each. Colgate mouthwash is part of Spend 10 get 5 bag. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $6.29 each, and they will total $12.58. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $3.58 or $1.79 each. My next deal is on Maybelline Cosmetics and they're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back, and the baby lips are part of this deal, but my store is all wiped out because we just had a very good deal. But if you can find them, pick up 2 priced at $4.99 each and they will total $9.98. We have a $4 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon that will drop it down to $5.98 and you get 5 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. We have a repeat deal from last week on Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care. The on Spend 25 get $10 back, limit of 1. Pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, priced at $25.79. Use a $5 off Neutrogena digital coupon, and I have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT. Both will take off $10 and drop it down to $15.79, and you get 10 back. And to make this deal even better, you can submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back for spending 20. And after that $5 back, this will end up costing you just 79 cents. Another repeat deal from last week will be on Neutrogena Acne Care. They're on the deal of spend 15 get 5 back. Pick up the Neutrogena Acne Patch priced at $14.99. And that's within the 98% rule for the spend 15. We have $3.50 off Neutrogena coupon in our app, and I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT. That will take off $6.50 and drop it down to $8.49, and you get 5 back, making it just $3.49. The next facial care deal I have is spend 10 get $5 back on any clean and clear acne care, limit of 1. Pick up one acne exfoliating cleanser priced at $11.29. We have a $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $9.29 and you get 5 back, making it just $4.29. This week we have raw sugar products on buy 2 get 4 back. What you can do is to pick up the Kids Bubble Bath and Body Wash priced at $5.59 each. They will total $11.18. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $7.18 or $3.59 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back, and this deal includes the Eucerin lotion and the Aquaphor, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option I have is to pick up the 3-ounce Aquaphor healing ointment priced at $13.49 on the app, but on the shelf it says $13.99, so you can ask the cashier to adjust the price if they allow it. And pick up one of the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99 on the app, but on the shelf it says $7.49. These two will total $20.48 using the two new prices. We have a $3 coupon in our app for the Eucerin lotion, and we have a $3 coupon in our app for the Aquaphor. That will take off 6 and drop it down to $14.48, and you get 10 back, making them just $4.48 or $2.24 each. The second option I have is to pick up 3 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99 each. They will total $20.97. Use the $3 digital coupon, and if you have the $2 tier pad, you can use 2. The 3 coupons will take off $7 and drop it down to $13.97, and you get 10 back, making them just $3.97 or $1.32 each. The next lotion deal I have will be on Nivea, and they're on the deal of spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up two 16.9-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $10.29 each, and they will total $20.58. We only have a $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $18.58, and you get 10 back, making them just $8.58 or $4.29 each. My next deal is on Vaseline lotion, and they're on spend 15 get 3 back. Pick up the 20.3-ounce Vaseline lotion priced at $9.29 and the 10-ounce Vaseline lotion priced at $5.59. And that's the big one and the small one next to it. They will total $14.88, and it's within the 98% rule for the spend 15. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $10.88, and you get 3 back, making them just $7.88 or $3.94 each. The next deal I have is spend 12 get $5 back on Irish Spring or soft soap body wash, and I have 2 options for this deal. Let's start with the soft soap. Pick up 2, priced at $6.59 each, and they will total $13.18. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.18, and you get 5 back, and that will make these two just $3.18 or $1.59 each. And my second option for this deal is to pick up 2 Irish Spring body wash priced at $7.49 each. They will total $14.98. Use the 5 off 2 coupon to drop it down to $9.98, and you get 5 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $3 back, and diaper soap is part of this deal. Pick up 2 priced at $4.69 each, and they will total $9.38. We currently don't have any coupons for these products, and this can make a very good filler item if you have a 10 off 70. Without the coupons, pay $9.38 and get 3 back, making them just $6.38 or $3.19 each. If you prefer the body wash, the 16-ounce or the 32-ounce are part of this deal, and if you're picking up the 16-ounce, check Ibotta is giving back $1 limit of 1. If you need a filler item, another good one you can pick up is the Everyman Jack body wash priced at $8.49. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back, making it just $5.49. But if you add it to a spend deal, it will come out cheaper. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $3 back on Ajax deodorant, body spray, body wash, or shower gel, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up the body wash priced at $6.49 each. These two will total $12.98. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.98, and you get 3 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. For the second option, pick up 2 body sprays priced at $7.49 each, and they will total $14.98. Use the 7 off 2 coupon from the app to drop it down to $7.98, and you get 3 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The Green Dry Spray is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and part of buy 2 get $2 back. You can pick up the men dry spray or the female dry spray, but I'm only showing the female because that's what my store have. They are priced at $7.79, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.90. These two will total $11.69. We have a $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $9.69, and you get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Fetch for 1,500 points when you buy 2, which is almost $1.50. After the extra care box and the Fetch reward, the 2 will end up costing just $8.19 or $4.10 each. The first hair care deal I have is on Garnier Whole Blends. They on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5 and you get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. The next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Fruity shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners priced at $4.99 each, and they will total $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $6.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you did not use your OGX coupon last week, we still have the same deal this week, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $9.29 each, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $5.57. These two will total $14.86. Use the 6 off 2 coupon we got last week to drop it down to $8.86 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.86 or $2.43 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. You can pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Use the 4 off 2 coupon we have in our app to drop it down to $6 and you get 2 back, making them just $4 or $2 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on Head and Shoulders, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2, priced at $7.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $4.79. They will total $12.78. Pay that and get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta, and this is a limit of 3. After the Ibotta rebate and the $4 extra care box, they will end up costing just $4.78 or $2.39 each. My next deal is on Shea Moisture Hair Care, and they are part of spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up 2 defining styling gel priced at $10.49 each, and they will total $20.98. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $15.98 and you get 10 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. If you need some Pantene hair care, I have 2 deals for you. The first one is buy 2 get $4 back on Pantene shampoo or conditioner 10.4 to 12.6 ounce, and they're on sale for $4.99. Pick up 2, they will total $9.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. And the second Pantene deal is the 16 to 27.7 ounce Pantene shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for $5.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, and both will total $11.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $7.98 or $3.99 each. My next deal is spend 20 get $7 back on any Dove hair care. Pick up 2 Dove hair therapy priced at $9.99 each, and these 2 will total $19.98, which is within the 98% rule for the spend 20. If you're doing this type of spend deal and you're going within the 98% rule, make sure your store follows it. That way you can get your extra care box. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $15.98 and you get 7 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $5 back, and this deal includes the Cottonelle, the Huggies, the wipes, the Kleenex, and some other products, and I have few options for you. Let's start with the Cottonelle 9 mega roll bath tissues. They are on sale for $10.79. Pick up 2, and they will total $21.58. We have a dollar coupon in our app that will drop it down to $20.58 and you get 5 back, making them $15.58 or $7.79 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Huggies diapers on sale for 2 for $20, because we have a $1.50 coupon that will drop it down to $18.50 and you get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 500 kicks on each pack. That means you get back 1,000 kicks from Shopkick, which is $4. And that will make these 2 packs of diapers just $9.50 or $4.75 each. The third option I have is to pick up 2 Huggies wipes on sale for 2 for $20. We have a $1 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $19 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 400 kicks on each pack. That means you get back 800 kicks, which equals $3.20. Submit to Ibotta for 25 cents, limit of 1. That will end up making them just $10.55 or $5.28 each. The next diaper deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on all Pampers, Easy Up, Ninjamas, Splashers or Swaddlers. Pick up 2 and they're on sale for 2 for $22. Use the 3 off 2 coupon we have in our app to drop it down to $19 and you get 5 back, making them just $14 or $7 each. The Gillette Shave Foams are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 back, and they are priced at $3.89 each. Pick up 2. The first one will be full price, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. Both will total $5.84. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $3.84 or $1.92 each. These next 2 items are not giving back any extra care box, and that will be the Swiffer wet cloth refills. They are on sale for $10.99. Pick up 2 and they will total $21.98. Use the 10 off 2 coupon we got last week to drop it down to $11.98 for both or $5.99 each. My next deal is on Belvedere biscuits. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2 you get $2 back. Pick up 2 and both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. If you don't want the Belvedere biscuits, you can pick up the Chips Ahoy cookies. Pick up 2. They're on sale for $3.99. Both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The Big Maxwell coffee is on sale for $7.99, and when you buy 1 you get $2 back. Pick up 1, pay $7.99 and get $2 back, making it just $5.99. Another filler item this week can be the Pringles. It's on sale for just $1.97. And the last item in this video, which can also make a very good filler item, will be the Kellogg Frosted Flakes, on sale for $1.99. Or if you have checkout 51, pick up 2 for a total of $3.98. Pay that, then submit your receipt to checkout 51 for $1.50 back for buying 2. That will end up making them just $2.48 or $1.24 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.